Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our school YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Today, we are going to do Unit 14 Data Handling. In this chapter, children, our learning objectives are writing tally marks for the given numbers, representation of data given in the pictograph using tallies, reading and analyzing pictographs. Students, these are tally marks. We put one bar for writing 1. This is called tally. For writing 2, we put 2 bars. In this way, children, for writing 3, we put 3 bars, and for 4, we need to put 4 bars. For writing 5, children, we make 4 bars, and one slant line will cut all these 4 bars. This will make 5. Now, children, when we have to write 6, we need to put 4 bars with one slant line plus 1 more bar. This is 6. For writing 7, we need to put 5 and 2 bars. For 8 children, 5 plus 3. For 9, 5 and 4 bars. For writing 10 children, we need to put 5 and 5 again. This is 10. So children, like this we can write our tally marks. Now students, we will learn representation of data given in the pictograph by using tallies. See children, there are different types of figures, rectangles, circle, triangles and squares given here. We need to count each type of figure and write them in a table using tallies and numbers. Okay. First let us take the shape rectangle. We need to count how many rectangles are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 rectangles. So children, when we write it in table like this, we will make the shape, write tallies for the shape. Like we have counted, there are 7 rectangles. We have made 5 and 2 tallies and number is 7. In the same way children, when we will go back to the picture and find the number of circles, we will find that there are 5 circles in the whole picture. So, now let us count the number of triangles. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 triangles in all. And now let us count the number of squares. Total number of squares in the figure are 8. So let us put this data in the given table. Rectangle 7 number and tally. Circle 5. For marking 5 tallies, we need to put 4 bars and 1 cross line, slant line. For triangles it is 10 and square it is 8. Next children, we will learn now how to read and analyze given data in the pictograph. Now children, we must know what is a pictograph. Pictograph, when we use pictures or symbols to represent information, it is called pictograph. Now, the following pictograph shows the different kinds of transport used by students to come to school. See children, here the various kinds of transports are shown: bus, car, cycle, scooter and auto. Okay, the main important point is we need to learn the symbol and the important line given below the pictograph. Here one smiley represents 10 students. For below each vehicle some smileys are given. We should understand and we must know that one smiley represents 10 students. These are symbol for students. So children, below bus we can see 3 smileys. It means these are 30 students. Below car 4 smiley means 40. Below cycle, these are 2 smileys, which means 20 students. And below scooters, there are 5 smileys, that means 50 students. And below auto, there is only 1 smiley, that means only 10 students use auto to go to school. Now look at the given questions and answer these questions. Here important point, once again we have recalled that 1 smiley represents 10 students, children. Now read the above pictograph and answer the following questions. The first question is, how many students come by buses? Let's go back and see how many students are using bus. There are 3 smileys, it means 1 smiley means 10 students, that means 30 students are using bus. Right, children? Next is, how many students come by scooters? Again we need to go back and see how many students go to school by scooters. Yes, this is 5 smiley means 50 students are going to school by scooters. Next, children, third question is, how many students use car? Okay, we need to go back and see how many students are using car. There are 4 smileys in all, which means 40 students are going to school by cars. Yes, children. Now, fourth question is, how many students come by auto? I think there is only one picture of smiley in below auto, so only 10 students go by auto. Last question is, how many fewer students use cycles than cars? Now children, let us go back and see how many children are using cycles and how many are using cars. See here children, below cars there are 4 smileys, which means 40 students are using cars and only 20 students are using bike. So 40 minus 20 is 20 fewer students use cycles than cars. In this way children, when we have data in the pictorial form, it becomes very easy to read and analyze and answer the given questions. Okay? Now children, this is revision time. Let us revise. By using tallies, find out the number of pets Sanvi has at her home. Now children, this is for your work. You need to count each number of pet Sanvi has and make this table in your notebooks. Count the number of pets, write their tallies and numbers given. Okay? Thank you children. God bless you. Stay happy and healthy.